Video I am going to tell what are quadratic equations and how to find the solution of quadratic equation. First, let's know what are quadratic equations. For example, let's take an equation. An equation is nothing but if for example this is an equation. An equation is nothing but an expression, an algebraic expression which has an equal to sign. Simply we can tell that an equation is nothing but an algebraic expression which has an equal to sign. And how can we call this equation as quadratic equations? Let's find the highest degree of this equation. How to find the highest degree of this equation? Degree is nothing but the power. Now we should write the powers of the variables. Now for this variable the power is nothing but 1, right? So the power of this is 2 and the power is this is 1. So the highest degree is 2. So for an equation, if the highest degree is 2, then it is known as quadratic equation. Now we should solve the quadratic equations. Means we should find the value of this x. The value of this, for example, if x is 2 or some number n number, so this is called a solution of the quadratic equation. So in this video we are gonna learn how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Okay, now let's see how to solve those. Now let's if they give like if they give a equation and they told to write whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Like for example, they gave 5x square minus 8x is equal to minus 3 into 7 minus 2x, and they told to find is this a quadratic equation or not. How to find it? Let's see. It's 5x square minus 8x. Now simplify this. Minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Now minus into minus plus 3 to 6x. So let's transpose this side. 5x square minus 8x, minus will become plus 21 and minus 6x is equal to 0. Now simplify. 5x square minus 8x minus 6x plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus and minus is plus, but the symbol will be minus. So 5x square minus 8 plus 6, how much? 14. It's 14x plus 21 is equal to 0. What is the highest degree of this equation? Is 2. So it's a quadratic equation. Let's write a statement. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Yeah. So if they give let's see another example. So they gave x minus 4 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. In order to find this is a quadratic equation or not, first let us simplify these two. Let's simplify. So x into 3x is 3x square plus x into 1 is x minus 4 into 3x is 12x minus 4 into 1 is 4. That is equal to 3x into x is 3x square. 3x square plus 3 into 2 is 6x minus x minus 2. Yes. So let's simplify again. 3x square minus 11x minus 4 is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now let's transpose this side. Okay, and find whether it is a quadratic equation or not. 3x square minus 11x minus 4 plus will become minus 3x square plus 5x will become minus 5x minus 2 will become plus 2, that is equal to 0. And 3x plus 3x square and minus 3x square will be cancelled because the result will be 3 minus 3, right? It will be is equal to 0, so we can directly cancel them. So minus 11x minus 5x, so minus, it will be minus 16x and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 is equal to 0. If you want, we can change the symbols as 16x plus 2 is equal to 0. If we want to change the symbols, we should change it for whole of the equation. So 0 can't be plus or minus, so leave it. So plus minus minus, right? If we want to change it to plus, we should change this also to plus. So overall we should change the symbols of it. So what is the highest degree of this equation is 1. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation since the highest degree, or we can directly write as degree, is not 2. So it's not a quadratic equation. So let's try another example. 7x cube minus 2x square plus 10 is equal to 2x minus 5 whole square. So we can directly tell us as there is cube. So automatically what will be the degree of this highest degree it will be. So it's not, in exam you should solve this like, let me tell. 7x cube minus 2x square plus 10 is equal to, we can expand it, right? Is equal to 4x square plus 25 minus 20x, right? We can transfer it. And simplify it. So what is the highest degree of this equation? The highest degree of this equation is 3. So so what should be the highest degree for the quadratic equation? It should be 2, right? So it's not a quadratic equation. Let's write a statement. It is not a quadratic equation since the highest degree is not 2. So that's all. So now let's do sums based on how to find the value of x. How to find the solution of a quadratic equation. So let's take an equation. For example, 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39. So they asked to find the value of x. They will give solve. What is the meaning of solve? Solve is nothing but find the value of the variable. So 2x square minus 7x and transpose this 39 this side. So it's 39 is equal to 0. Now how should we do it is, first multiply the first number and the last third. We can name it as, so see, the basic format of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It may be minus also. So let's take this as a, this as b, and this as c. So we should multiply a and c, and then we should split the middle term. So what's 39 into 2? 39 into 2 is nothing but, let's do it, 39 into 2. 78, right? So we should split 78 such that if we add or subtract, we should get -7. So let's see what's 13 into 6. 13 into 6 is nothing but 78, right? So what is 13 minus 6? It's 7. So 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39 is equal to 0. Yeah. So now take the common factors. Okay. So taking x as common, I am taking x, so remaining is 2x minus 13. So take plus 6 as common and x minus 13, that is equal to 0. So take these two, remaining x plus 6 and 2x minus 3 as 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So then x is equal to minus 6 and 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So the value or the solution of this quadratic equation, or the value of x is equal to minus 6 or 3 by 2. It might be minus 6. We will get the answer 39. If we substitute in this, we will either substitute minus 6 or 3 by 2, we will get 39. So both are the solution of this quadratic equation. So let's try another. If they give x square is equal to x square is equal to 5x. So how to find it? So x square minus 5x. We have brought this 5x this side. So x is common in this both, right? So take out x into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So the solution of x is 0 or 5. For this for quadratic equation, we will get the solution either 2 or 1 or none. We will get either 2 or 1 or 0. Okay, so for most of them we will get 2 as the solution, but some even get 1 or 0. So that's all. Thank you.